How to make your Facebook account completely public. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually make your Facebook account completely public. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. So if you have not updated already, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Facebook, go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and let's say that this is the account which I want to make completely public. We're going to customize some of the settings, so you want to make sure to stick with us. Now what you want to do is, after you open a Facebook, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see this three lines icon. Now basically, if you're on Android or iOS, this option could vary. For example, on iOS it is on the top right. Now in the iOS or iPhone users, it is actually on the bottom right hand side of the screen. So this option is actually going to vary and differ from device to device and depending upon the update as well. Once you tap on the three lines icon, you scroll down to the bottom, and here at the bottom of the screen you'll find a button which says settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and what you can do is simply tap on the settings button. As we tap on settings, we're going to be taken to this menu right over here. You want to come down, and here you'll find a section, a whole lot of section which says audience and visibility. You can see it also says control who can see your post, stories, and profile. So we are going to go through each of these one by one. The very first thing you want to do is tap on your profile information, and then here you want to scroll down and then find the option called basic info. Once you find basic info, tap on this edit button, and as you tap on edit button, you want to make sure that you have actually set your birthday as well, everything to public. So this is the very first steps you could do in order to actually make it public. You can come down, you could also add some of your religious views and then also change this to public. You could also change the main interest and then your gender and make it public as well, and then you could tap on save. Once we are done with the profile information, we can also select how people find and contact you, and then here you can also select who can send you friend requests, send it to everyone, who can send your friend list. You can also set this to public and everyone right over here, who can look up using the email address you provided, everyone. Make sure all of it's set to public and everyone. You can also come back, and then you could tap on post right over here. Once you tap on post, who can see a future post, you could set it to everyone or anything which you want, then come back and select everything. You could also select stories, and then you could also set it to public as well. The other thing you can do is followers and public content. Tap on followers and public content, and make sure to set all of these options to actually public. So once you actually set it to public, all of your profile information is actually going to be completely public, and then you can come back. The other thing you can do is also customize profile and tagging. As you customize profile and tagging, you can see who can post on your profile. You can set it to public if you want to. All of these options, you could go through each of them one by one. Basically, you're tagging, you're viewing and sharing and reviewing, and your Facebook account will be completely public, at least 90% of the privacy options. This is the way to make your Facebook account completely public. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.